In this video, I will show you how to create and verify your OKX account. To do this, what you want to gonna do first is either head over to the OKX website or just go and install the OKX app on your phone. Now, after you first open up the app or website, you will see a button that says sign up. Go and click on that button. From there, it will take you to this screen where you need to enter the country where you live. Then just click create account in the bottom, and now you need to read and accept the terms, and you can choose to agree to receive promotional and marketing messages sent by OKX. So I'll just click agree and continue, and now next up you can either enter your email, or in the bottom you can sign up with Google, Apple or Telegram. So I'll continue with Google. After doing that, go ahead and enter your phone number. Then after you've done that, you can choose to create a pass key. So you have seamless verification, just use biometrics, so Face ID, and this works for anti-phishing and anti-leak, and it works on all devices. So if you want to do this, just click continue, and then you can set up the security authentication, so you can send a code to your phone number or email address to verify that it's you. I'll just click maybe later. Now from here you can actually get verified so that you can start using OKX. So from here just click on verify now. And now here again choose your country or region, which for me is the Netherlands. And then you need to take a photo of your ID and a selfie, and you will need to submit your proof of address. So from here just click next. And then first choose the type of ID that you would like to take a picture of. So it can be a driver's license, national ID card or a passport. For example, I will do a driver's license and click next. Now you need to allow them access to your camera and then just take a picture of it, and then you will also need to take a selfie so that they can see that it is you and that it is your ID as well. And then finally you will need to enter some proof of address, so that can be some kind of a utility bill or really anything that is addressed to the address that you are going to create your account with, so that they know that it is your address. Now after you do that, you will have successfully created your OKX account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.